We will introduce about our product called clamp holder. Clamp holder is the plate spring that is used to clamp, tighten, or hold the things. Clamp holder is also used in the car and it is used to hold the body and the cover of air cleaner in the engine room. Different size of clamp holders are used by car model. This is the flow of attachment. Attachment or detachment can be done with one touch. Clamp holder for air cleaner is demanded for the power against the vibration. We are very good at designing, developing, and manufacturing the plate springs for your needs.
Thanks for watching the video of our products. We have best solution for your needs. If you have any problem, our products will be very useful. We are very good at customizing our products to adjust your products. So if you are interested in our products, don't hesitate to ask us.